This video will provide instructions on how to set up biofeedback data displays in Trigno Discover. Once sensors are paired in the Connected Sensors panel, biofeedback data displays such as colour maps, number displays and bar charts can be configured. The number display, bar chart display and colour map can only be applied on a sensor when it is configured in RMS and IMU mode or when calibrated. Additionally, the colour map display can only be selected on a Trigno Maze sensor. To configure biofeedback displays, navigate to the Plot Configuration tab on the right-hand menu and select the preferred display for each of the connected sensors. When selecting the number display, the live value from the chosen sensor will be shown at the top of the screen in the large number display. To hide the number display, select the Close Number View icon under the Windows header. Select the same icon to open the number display again. To pop out the number display into a separate window, click here. Double-click the header of the window to view the number display in full screen. Click the same icon on the separate window of the number display to bring it back into the main data collection window. When selecting the bar chart display, a separate pop-up window will populate during a live data collection. To make the bar chart visible in front of the live data view, select the Open Bar Chart icon under the Windows option. To add a threshold, select the Add Threshold icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the bar chart window. To add a second threshold, select the adjacent Add Threshold icon. These thresholds can be shifted up and down by dragging the yellow lines. To hide the threshold lines, select the Add Threshold icons once more. The Y-axis of the bar chart can be scaled by clicking and dragging the Y-axis. Double-clicking the sensor name in the top left corner of the bar chart window will reset the Y-axis scale. To close the bar chart, select the same Close Bar Chart icon. During a data collection, the colour map can be made visible through the Open Colour Map icon under the Windows section. The Y-axis scale can be altered by clicking and dragging the Y-axis. The small arrow in the right-hand corner of the colour map can be used to close and expand the Y scale. The Rotate button of the colour map shifts the orientation of the channel visualizations by 90 degrees. This can be used to ensure that the visual representation of the colour map biofeedback matches the orientation of the sensor on the muscle. Unchecking the channel labels box will hide the channel numbers from the colour map. The colour of the display can be changed under the drop-down Colours menu. The same Close Colour Map icon can be used to close the colour map biofeedback window. To watch the next video in the Trigno Discover Getting Started series, click here. For additional information and assistance, visit delsys.com/support and be sure to connect with us on our socials.